Hey everyone, another weekend in the van. I was off heading up to the White Mountains last night and heading up by Crawford Notch. Crawford, I think. Going up the hill, I got in the dreaded, the infamous engine service soon light came on. And I'm like, oh no. Because I'm nowheres around civilization, so I was meeting a friend at a campground, so I went there, I met him, had a fire and stuff with him, and then drove down the end of the road and slept, and then hiked this morning. So I went to a Napa on the way home, because that's the only thing I could find. Or not the way home, I'm not actually going home. Going to my birthplace home, or close to it. I'm heading to my parents for the night. And so they put the tester on. I'm definitely going to buy a tester because that would have made my night a lot better. And I hiked like 14 miles today, and the whole time on my mind is like, oh God, my transmission's gone. Well, come to find out, the service engine light soon has nothing to do with the transmission. Basically, he said that it's always emissions. So he goes, you don't even, and what the code came up, I wrote it down, it was like SA0449 something or other, and it came up this part, and he goes, you don't have to fix that. He goes, you won't be able to get an inspection sticker with the light on. So you can see it right there, that popped on. And so I went in and they gave me this part. It was like $29. It's a solenoid, and it reads the amount of emissions that you're putting out. Now, I have no idea if this goes under the hood or somewhere underneath the van. So I found a nice little lunch spot on a pond, and I'm going to jump in the back and cook some lunch and do some YouTubing, figure out where the heck this goes. But I figured it can't be too difficult. Plug a hose in. It looks like it connects there and hangs on something. But yeah, let's do that. What do you think, Mr. Bear? He doesn't talk when we're not driving, unless you snap him upside the head. He agrees. So here's the error code, P0449, and it says that means a evaporative emission control system vent valve or solenoid has malfunctioned. So the ECU, whatever that is, detects this fault and causes the check engine light to be illuminated on the dash. So that's what that part is up there. It's the evaporative, wait a minute, what is that? Evaporative emission. So that's the evaporative emission solenoid that I bought for $29.99. So let's figure out where it goes.
Usually what you can do.
So it's under the van.
Give them a little lump tap, and it will actually start working. Have a quick and dirty method. So I got it turned on right now.
Fix it Russian style. Interesting. Does it have a plug on it? I think that might be it right there. I didn't realize it had electronics on it though. Yep, that's it right there. So it's underneath. So we'll do that at my parents' house. So I'm gonna do that at my parents' house so I don't get filthy. The ground's nasty here. So anyways, at least we know where it is now. Step closer. Didn't do the dishes last night. What a mistake. Woohoo! Veggies, rice, and hummus. Oh no. Fire pit. Not a bad little spot. Close to the road though. The road's right over there. And of course it right behind me too. And of course people leave trash everywhere. Guess they want this posted. There we go. One thing gone. One, this, no, that's off now. There we go. Okay, so we got it all hooked up. Let's see if it works. Well, I don't know if you have to give it some time or not. Well, there we go. So I got back online and read, and it said that you actually have to reset it after you replace that part. So I don't have a code scanner to reset it, so I basically just unplugged the positive or disconnected the positive on the battery and put it back, and we'll see on the ride home if it comes back on. But I tested the used one, and when you hook it up to power, you should hear it click, and I hadn't heard no clicks, so it was obviously bad. So that should fix it. And tomorrow we're getting this pressure system fixed. I can't wait because this drives me nuts. So anyways, all fixed for now anyways, until the next issue, right?